This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the top FTSE 100 stock for 2019. And this is from this website. As you can see here, for 2019, one of the best performing stocks in the FTSE 100, JD Sports. But we're going to be checking also at historical momentum areas or breakouts also. So we're going to be taking a look at this breakout here in 2013. There's a breakout here, very nice breakout in 2015. There's a strong breakout here in 2019. And of course I could have highlighted other breakouts, but let's take a look at those. And if I have time, I would like to mention this breakout here in middle to late 2019. Alright, let's go. Oh, by the way, before we take a look at the charts, this is a dream stock right here. For an institution, for somebody who is not in a hurry to day trade and just wants to hold on to some of the best stocks out there, this is a dream stock. Alright, let's take a look at JD 2013. Now, here we are. And so let's make sure we have everything here aligned right. Alright, here we go. So we can see that there's a breakout here. In fact, if you take a look, there should be a breakout above the weekly closing high somewhere here. So there's a breakout here that we can use right here in middle of 2013. Let's take a look at the parameters here. Now we can see at that particular time frame, which is somewhere here, our RSI had jumped above 69.1, and we can see that the MACD, at least one of the MACDs, was breaking out. So the 2013 breakout, we can say, did meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout somewhere there. So a good entry, especially for those with a long-term horizon, which is not the case in today's markets where everybody is overwhelmed by data and they feel they need to overtrade. Alright, let's take a look at the 2015 breakout. Again, another quality breakout here. RSI, as we can see here, did jump above that threshold, the beautiful threshold of 69.1. In fact, it held above 69.1 before the breakout. That's very good to see. And we can see at that particular time frame, the MACDs were not to be left behind. So this time frame right here, you can see that the MACDs also did break out. So again, we can see the 2015 breakout, without exception, was breaking out. This MACD was questionable. This one was good. Remember, we only need one of the MACDs to be moving to 3-year highs minimum. So the 2015 breakout was good. And here we are talking about this breakout here. A powerful breakout. And bang! Take a look at that breakout and where the RSI was. Well above 69.1. That's a sign of power. Alright, let's take a look at the 2019 breakout here. Now this breakout, to me, had some issues. It's breaking out. Yes, it's above 69.1, but I would have had a problem at the time, to be honest, with this V-type formation. You've heard me talk about this. This is a very deep base, tend to be unstable. So usually when you see that, it's not the best, but even here we can see it met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. You can see here the RSI was above 69.1, and we can see that that also did coincide with one of the MACDs breaking out, albeit late in the month. Now, I should point out, at the lows here, just as a side note, in case you are wondering, as a side note, you'll notice if you use the RSI 50 support for entries, you get beautiful long-term entries. And that is what I call RSI 50 support with uniform activity. So let's see what happened after that breakout. Remember, the previous breakout was here that we just discussed. And as I stated, at the end of the month, there was a problem because of this deep base. And see what happened is there was no more momentum. The stock did settle down for a couple of months. Why? Because of that deep base. This deep base was a problem. So the stock had to digest itself. In other words, let me say this. The quality of the ultimate Muathe breakout was not very superior. Now this subsequent breakout now that's a thing of beauty. Take a look. The RSI has no problem moving back above 69.1. And remember, this is the best stock in the FTSE 100 for 2019. So we're talking about the best of the best. Breakout there, and you can see that the MACDs for sure did confirm that power. MACDs were breaking out and breaking out again here. In fact, remember, we only need one of the MACDs here. Both MACDs were breaking out, and because of that, let's go back to the original chart. You can see, had you taken either the initial breakout in 2019 or the subsequent quality breakout here, either way, you would have been afforded an opportunity to ride the best FTSE 100 stock for 2019. How do you unlock the best stocks? How do you time the best stocks? How do you know what to look for? This is your ticket. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ERCS. Woo!